హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు ఎస్కే ట్యుటోరియల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం టీఎస్ టెట్ 2017లో జరిగినటువంటి పేపర్ 2లోని పార్ట్ 3 ఇంగ్లీష్ కంటెంట్ అండ్ మెథడాలజీకి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. రీడ్ ద ప్యాసేజ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. చైల్డ్ సైకాలజీ ఈజ్ సర్టెన్లీ నాట్ ఏ స్ట్రాంగ్ పాయింట్ with the most Indian schools. Why else would it inflict double trauma on students faring badly in the pre-board by banning her from taking the exams, often with total results as evidenced by reports of student suicides in the run of the board. Now, Central Board of Secondary Education has stepped in and put the brakes on. This is a good news for parents and students, many of whom have had to live with the threat of performance-linked departments, while the school's logic in that in order to attract talented students, they need to maintain their performance records and high levels. The assumption that students faring poorly that pre-boards will replicate this is the board's fault. Chances are that the students will be sprout work double hard. On the other hand, the threat of department will almost certainly impact her or his performance adversely. Of course, linking pre-board to the boards is only one of the problems with our school system. Now answer the following. Which question? Choosing the right option. Number 61. Choose the word which is most opposite meaning of word spur or as used in the passage. Option 1, depress. Option 2, enlarge. Option 3, activate. Option 4, sustain. The right answer is option 1, depress. Next question, number 62. Choose the word which is similar in meaning to the word replicate as used in passage. Option 1, enhance. Option 2, achieve. Option 3, perform. Option 4, repeat. The right answer is option 4, repeat. Question number 63. Which is the good news for parents according to the passage? Option 1, school will take the responsibility of preparing students for the board. Option 2, school will enforce discipline to ensure higher attendance of students. Option 3, no students can be barred from boards without prior and clearance from the CBSE. Option 4, school will provide study facilities to the poor students. Right answer is option 3. No students can be barred from the boards without prior clearance from the CBSE. Question number 64. Schools wanted to enforce performance-linked department in order to. Option 1, attract better quality students. Option 2, get regular grant in aid from education department. Option 3, provide better study material to the students. Option 4, make students aware that they would aspire for their all-round development. The right answer is option 1. Question number 65. According to the passage, parents had to live with the threat of. Option 1, falling grades of their words. Option 2, linking performances of their words in pre-boards to the boards. Option 3, not getting their words admitted in quality schools. Option 4, schools creating traumatic situation for their words. The right answer is option 2. The following passage has 5 numbered blanks. For each blank, 4 alternatives are given. Identify the correct option for each blank. Men who are always dash about their poverty. Option 1, muttering. Option 2, mumbling. Option 3, grumbling. Option 4, groaning. Right answer is option 3, grumbling. About their complaining of their difficulties, meaning dash their troubles. Option 1, over. Option 2, about. Option 3, with. Option 4, out. Right answer is option 1, over. and thinking that dash is this world is mean and poor. Option 1 a lot, option 2 lots, option 3 over a lot, option 4 there a lot. The right answer is option 4 there a lot. Dash never get any happiness out of life or achieve dash success. Option 1 would, option 2 will, option 3 should, option 4 may. The right answer is will. Dash success. Option 1 some, option 2 a, option 3 the, option 4 any. Right answer is option 4 any. Question number 71. Identify complex sentence from the following. Option 1 we read books but they watch TV. Option 2 if you search for it in the school you will get it. Option 3 you go there or they will not give you. Option 4 she is not only good in English but also good at maths. Option 2 is right answer. Next question number 72. He walks up to hear the sound of bells dash in distance. Choose the right option to fill in the blank. Option 1 clanging, option 2 bagging, option 3 buzzing, option 4 whistling. Right answer is option 1. Next question number 73. Identify the pairs containing noun plus noun. Option 1 strong light, option 2 shade light, option a light source, option 4 area of light. Right answer is a light source. Next question number 74. A. Amrita is getting married next month. B. Amrita will get married next month. Read the statements A and B and choose the right option. Right answer is option 3. A and B both are correct. Question number 75. When Padma stood first in class, Rekha out of jealousy. Option 1 ate her heart out. Option 2 lost her heart. Option 3 poured out her heart. Option 4 praised from bottom of her heart. Right answer is option 1. Question number 76. I expect to get a prize. The underlined part of the sentence is called a noun phrase because option 1 it is the object of the verb expect. Option 2 it contains a subject and predicate. Option 3 it qualifies the noun. Option 4 it is independent. Right answer is option 1. Next question number 77. Identify the correct passive sentence. Option 1 a nice house is had by them. Option 2 I am not fitted by my shoes. Option 3 a Greek goddess is resembled by Shriya. Option 4 the furniture was broken up for firewood. Right answer is option 4. Question number 78. They ought to be more sensible dash. Choose the correct question tag to complete the sentence. Oughtn't they? Shouldn't they? Won't they? Can't they? The right answer is option 1 and 2. Question number 79. Choose the appropriate reply to an invitation. The right answer is option 1. Sorry, I am afraid I am not free. Next question number 80. This man on TV said the dinosaur. Choose the later part of sentence which has grammatically correct. Option 3 were around 250 million years. Next question number 81. One speaks and a strange dialect where I came from. This sentence is divided into 4 parts labeled A, B, C, D. Identify the part of sentence which has an error. The right answer is option 4. D. Next question number 82. John hates women. He is a... Right answer is option 1. Next question number 83. Read the part of sentences A, B, C, D, E which are jumbled. A. Cash head on their internal refits. B. Entering these countries for commercial gains. Option C. And ultimately become their rulers. For the British slowly stepped into the internal politics of those countries. E. and over period of time gain total control. Now identify the right order. Right answer is option 3, B, D, A, E. Next question number 84. Identify the one word substance from the following. The answer is option 4, omnipresent. In the activity called scale drawing used to develop speaking skills of students. Option 1, one student passes the information verbally to the other from a graph, a picture with a few gaps, and the other tries to fill the gaps. Option 2, one student produces a diagram from the other student description on given square paper. Option 3, the student guesses what it is when the teacher draws something artistically on the blackboard. Option 4, the students draw the picture based on clues given by the teacher. The right answer is option 2. Question number 86. Remedial teaching is more like crash course. Right answer is option 4. Next question number 87. One of the feature of reflective teaching is gathering new evidences. Option 4. Listening to public speeches belongs to just listening. Option 2. Question number 8. Another term used for graphic organizers in English language teaching is option 1, information transfer. Option 2, graphic reading. Option 4, option 3, almanacs. Option 4, discourses. Right answer is option 1, information transfer. Next question number 90. One of the following helps us to get bird's eye view of the book. Identify it. Jacket, front page, blurb, the preface. Right answer is option 3, blurb.